Major cause of accidents. People confuse cross multiplying with cross canceling. Cross multiplying only when there are equal signs. So look, basically cross multiply for equations only. Has to be an equal sign. Cross cancel on the same side. So I'm going to write here same side stuff. It has to, you cross cancel on the same side. Okay, let's do cross multiply in action. What does this mean? I'm going to go whoosh, whoosh. So this would be 1 times 6 equals, and then we go multiplying the other diagonal, 2 times 3, and we're like, yeah, 6 equals 6. Cool beans, that works. Let's do this 2 over 3 equals x over 6. We're going to cross multiply. So that would be 2 times 6 equals, cross multiply the other way, 3 times x. Oh, that's called 3x. Now 2 times 6, that's 12, equals 3x. And like, oh, we actually have an algebra problem here now. We're going to divide by the coefficient of x, which is 3. So we divide both sides by 3, and we get, 4 equals x. We've actually solved the algebraic equation here. But let's go to the right-hand side, cross-canceling, same side stuff. So look, I'm going to leave the right-hand side, in this case, the x alone. I want to cancel stuff. Now I can cancel. It's also called top-bottom canceling. I just call it cross-cancel. Maybe it's called something else in your sphere of the world. But I was taught cross-canceling, so I'm going to call it that. So look, what we can do is say like, oh, look, this 9 and the 3. 3 goes into both. I'm going to put a 1 here as a placeholder. I'm going to put a 3 here. Now, oh, look at this. This 2 and this 4. That cross-cancels because 2 goes into both of these. So 2 goes into 2 once. 2 goes into 4 twice. Oh, look, and I got a top-bottom cancel. That's what some people call it. Ceiling, floor canceling, or it goes by a lot of different names. It's kind of like a wrapper. It's got all these different names. Okay, 3 and 6. Oh, 3 goes into 3 once. 3 goes into 6 twice. Oh my gosh, we can even go further with this. Look, I see a 2 and a 2. Oh my gosh, it's like this is divisible by 2. It goes one time. Oh my gosh, so what do we have left that's not canceled? It's like, basically we've got like 1 over 1, because 1 times 1 times 1 is 1 in the denominator. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1 in the numerator. So x equals 1 in this first case. Let's look at this second example here. 5 over 10 times 8 over 3 times 9 over 25 equals x. Cross cancel. First thing that jumps out at me, man, this 5 and the 25. Actually, the 5 and the 10. Dude, let's just do this. Let's go 1 and 2. Okay, cool. Oh, 2 and 8. Look at that. 2 goes into both. So 2 goes into 2 one time. 2 goes into 8 4 times. And then, 3 and 9. Look at this. Look at this. So 3 is a factor of both of these. 3 goes into 3 one time. 3 goes into 9 3 times. What am I left with? On the top, 1 times 4 times 3. That's going to be 12. Denominator 1 times 1 times 25, that's 25. So cool, x equals 12 over 25. Notice cross cancel only happens on that side. You can't cross cancel across the equal sign. So cross multiply, yes, across the equal sign, totally cool. Cross cancel, ooh, only canceling same side, guys. Okay, good luck with this. It is a little complicated, but I'm sure you will be careful as you do this and get awesome results.